What is going on? Go ahead and start the stream real quick. Turn that down a little bit and let's get into it. First off, we got news on Tuesday. Go ahead and go through this week, see what I'm looking for. No news today. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. No high impact news on Friday. Check financial juice real quick. May 13th. Some Fed speakers at 9. All right. Let's go ahead and check out this chart real quick. Hop on over to the 1 week. Do some top-down analysis. Last night I already marked out this weekly fair value gap right here. It just got created from last week, so we do have a weekly fair value gap in here. I trade external to internal, so I'd be looking for maybe sweeping some form of external, maybe this weekly high or this high right here. Go ahead and put this here. I'll leave it there. I don't want to see us sweep this high and return into internal. What's up, bro? Yeah, I do remember you. I was actually looking at after that day, I think it was Thursday, I was going through the charts and just looking and seeing, how I could have taken a long here when you were saying long, long, long. And we reached that daily objective. And so I'm still not clear on what you were talking about with 3 in the morning, but I should have seen that we traded below 830 price, made an SMT to go bullish. 3 o'clock, the true open you were saying. I've been looking into that, but you were definitely correct down here saying long, long, long. So I finally got my money in the trade of 8. About to run this account up. Go back to this weekly. Now I need to take into account, yeah, I got it in here. I got it loaded up. I don't have the account number because I don't know if someone comes in here and they start texting Trade of 8 about my account. So I blurred out the end of the number, but got my live account up here. If you're anticipating daily low each day in a bullish market after 3 a.m. After 3 a.m. they gonna make that look. So on a bullish day we trade below 3 a.m. You want to be a buyer under the 3 a.m. price when you have a bullish buys. Is that what you're saying? Trading day, bro. Yeah, I'm really trying to the hard thing about trying to incorporate, power of three in open high low close is a lot of people say a lot of different things. Like a lot of people talk about, if you want to be a buyer in a bullish day, buy below 8:30 or buy below midnight. And then you're not the only person. I've heard like 3 a.m. or something. I know Zusi was talking about three something as you want to be a buyer below that price or by that time. So I think I need to do some more back testing on that or some more research. But I like this fair value gap right here. Um, I was an extreme bear until we closed below this weekly fair value gap, or we had a daily. I mean, I was so bearish last week with this daily fair value gap in a discount. Um, but clearly we're respecting bullish tendencies. So if we want to go higher, I think we'd go higher from here. And to get there, we'd take out external, return to internal, and then maybe trade to external up here, and then see what happens from there. All-time highs. Is that 3 a.m. price as important during like Mondays, like a predicted manipulation day? Or is it only when you're expecting like expansion every day? All right. So I got that weekly fair value gap right there. We got these equal highs that didn't get taken. I really would like to see the weekly candle. I don't know. I'm trying to predict the weekly candle more, as in using the using the economic calendar. So maybe Monday we consolidate. Monday consolidate, maybe manipulate up, and then have a bearish week this week. Make our way down to maybe this low right here into this internal with external. Try and get that discounted price. Maybe set up some equal highs right here, come down to discounted price, propel our way back up to the top. But as usual, I'm not hopeful on a Monday. That external range where you have marked price is the low that balanced the price action. You don't think that so you think this might be treated as a breakaway gap right here? This fair value gap? I think that well, yeah, if we do push up to all-time highs this weekly, this is balanced, I guess, because we have an inversion. We have sell side delivery, now buy side delivery. So this weekly gap really doesn't mean anything, I guess. A lot of lines right here, I guess. So external got taken. I don't need this anymore. Yeah, we're definitely in a bullish price action right now. Are you expecting the expecting a good potential trade day? Not longs though, right? I wouldn't expect it to just start reaching for whatever objective. Like if we're gonna go long, I'd expect like Monday to sit here Tuesday go down, maybe trade in that order block. Get a weekly. Well, your draw is these highs right here, these equal highs. Or it's not that, is it? Yeah, we are extremely close to the draw. I think if we go up and just grab that objective right there, I would expect Tuesday and Wednesday to do nothing. Like I'm trying to figure out what is the weekly draw. Like where are we trying to draw to? And if it's this right here, well, if Monday reaches it, for our structure, we took the liquidity expansion to upside. You talking about this wick right here that took out all these lows on Friday? Yeah, the first thing that I need to figure out is what's most likely the weekly draw on liquidity. I don't think it's going to be this fair value gap. What's going on, Cougaroy, Koguri? I just got my personal account. I got the money in Trade of 8, so now I can actually take live trades. 8th of May. Oh, you're talking, yeah, this wick right here. Pushing in that daily fair value gap that was created here. Market structure shift. Pull back into to these down close candles. I don't know what a CFD. Oh, now it's 100. In the 4 hour. Yeah, pulled in that 4 hour gap right there. Oh shit. So what's your draw? Is your draw this wick right here for the day or for the week? Oh, this order block right here. Yeah, that's perfect. Taking out these lows into the down close candle. Damn, what was that? Is that news? So this is your draw right here. This is your market maker buy model up to all-time highs. Is that what you're thinking? The asymmetrical stuff is fire? For real? Yeah. I didn't really watch it, but should I do that for my account? So I just keep upping the risk every single trade? is, is that what I'm supposed to be doing? All right, market's about to open. I need to no. So we think that the draw right now is about to get, is this buy side right here? This is what we're looking for as soon as market opens. Yeah. I just don't think that we're gonna go get all-time highs and leave all of this right here. I think we might have some consolidation reversal this week or something. You know, maybe because market maker buy model finish out, or the buy side of the sell model have some form of smart money reversal, get in on the sell model from here, which would take us up to all-time highs. Even though I know like this is balanced, but right. So Asia opened up, and we've just been continuing the entire time. Hey. I was like, "Who is your man?" Yeah, look at me. All right. Yeah, I don't. I wouldn't want to be a buyer right now, especially if market opens. Asia pushed up. London didn't take Asia, pushed up. New York. I mean, I would need to see it come like at least take London. Yeah, maybe below midnight right here. Where's 3 a.m.? 3 a.m.'s right here. Well, we did trade below 3 a.m. Opened up 3 a.m., traded below. Is there a 1 hour fair value gap? No. What is this? Sunday? Close? The close or the high? It's like 18482. 4 hour structure says it. Where's 8:30? Right here. Right here. 8:30 opening. Mark out 8:30 opening and just see how price reacts. I think if I wanted to go long up here, um, it would need to be at least after taking out London and trading below midnight. There's just so much like see this to me right here, this grind up without really taking anything. I mean I guess this took some stuff, but this just looks like market maker. I don't even know, not even market maker buy. It's headed for Friday's lows. On here. Yeah. And you think we're gonna take that out and make our way up? I haven't even been looking at ES. So this high right here is where we're at. Damn, ES is already up there. Oh, highs? Yeah. So this high has been taken by ES. This high has been taken by ES. This high has been taken by ES. So you're saying no SMT to make us go lower, trade up there, and then we'll just have to wait and see probably. Mondays are hard to decipher for real. I'm glad we have news on Tuesday. Go ahead and get us something, but I'm not really convinced on anything. Um, all right, so I got London midnight marked out. This is 8:30. I think I saw ICT said he took a short, a pre-market short or something. Did ES take that out? No. Okay, so the most probable scenario that's going to happen right now is we open up and we go straight to these highs right here. My question is like, what's the mindset after that? Then we just chop around all the rest of Monday, probably, and then wait for Tuesday and see how Tuesday's Asia and London reacts, and then try and trade that intraday. Yeah, I don't like to get into any move until I've seen the rate on liquidity or the manipulation first. Because if you're getting in and you can't define that, then you're next. So we got 3 minutes. Let's say price doesn't go up and take this out in the beginning. LLU tape rate, you see so many. Yeah, that's true. Say like we do what ES just did and we like make our way right up to it again and go down like and we start trading lower. How low are you like at what point are you expecting to buy? Like are you waiting for trade below midnight or 3 a.m. or London lows or 8:30? Like damn, this shit actually looks good right here. Time first. Well, there's really no news, so wait until 10 o'clock. Bro, this, if we can trade down here, if we can make our way, trade below London, buy below midnight in a higher time frame PD ray, the 4 hour, that looks good to me, to be honest. Like, shit. Yeah, that's true. This shit already knows where it's gonna go. I'm gonna be watching that, though. If we can make our way down and maybe create an SMT, does ES have a 4 hour? Yeah, it does. And market's just open. Watch that 5 minute. Damn, bro. I do like that trade right there, honestly. The thing about this though is like I'm gonna watch it on TradingView, but I need to take my trade on this. That's the only problem. London Open. What's your London Open? 2 a.m. If it booms before that, I'll wait. If it booms before that, I'll wait. Small for small fake out. So to go up to ride it up. Yeah. Um, I'm gonna be watching this honestly. I'm gonna try and set something up real quick. So ain't no one gonna tell me that I was muted, bro? Okay. All right. So now I gotta give you the rundown of exactly what the fuck I was saying. All right. So I just connected paper trading so that I can show y'all my entry, bro. Come on, bro. So I can show my entries and like my stop placements and stuff. But then my actual Trade is connected on my other computer so I can chart it and see it on Trade but or Trading View. And then I'm gonna have it up on right here where I'm gonna take the actual trades. So I don't know if I was still muted when I was saying this. I'm just looking for push below here, manipulate one more time, maybe create an SMT, and then make our way up. I just don't know if we go down here from internal, if we'll make it all the way up to external on the Monday. So far, I'm liking this. And we really haven't, like, this isn't some major sell model because we haven't had any, I mean, manipulation yet. But all right, so we just flew in here. I want to see, like, wherever we. Do you have a prop firm? I used to trade with Top Step, but I'm just doing my own personal money now. If ES will load. I don't know where the 4-hour gap is on ES. So ES is in it now. No S&T. Just gotta be patient. I don't know, whatever forms, if it's an inversion, if it's a breaker, if it's an order block, or a fair value gap. The entry doesn't really matter because I'm in where I want to be right now. We might wick below the 4-hour. Gaurav, what you thinking? You looking for buys right now? So we do have an SMT now. NQ made a lower low for the time being. ES didn't. All right, no more SMT. I guess they're equal. Wonder what YM's looking like. Obviously buys. Okay. So this is YM. Massive SMT with YM and ES. Now I don't always take into account YM, but I mean it's clear YM did not take out that low. So once we make our way up, uh, I guess I'll use this. Watch how this responds. I get what you're saying about waiting till 10, but look, this low right here, look at NQ's low. YM didn't take that out. What are you trading? The micro E-mini NASDAQ. I'm only trading one contract. It's like the smallest amount you can get to. Yeah, so once we push up here, never heard of that? What do you trade? I'm gonna wait for a return to this inversion, but I probably won't get it. Dang, we're respecting that. Forex. So this is just, I think it's an indice, but on Forex, NASDAQ pretty much moves the same, I think. I don't know a lot about Forex as Euro USD. Like they got the same movement, I think. I don't know. Is NAS 100 Forex thing? Yeah, futures is a gentleman's market. Like the spread on Forex. So this is that one more manipulation that we might get down lower. Is the volatility better? Uh, yeah. I want to see YM stay above this right here. YM is strong, bro. Oh my God. This might be where you have to take into account time. So we have SMT with ES. See if the bodies want to, or the wicks want to make a mohawk. DXY is moving up. Yeah, well, DXY just took out these highs. Oh, that's a minute chart. DXY has this low right here that it looks like it's reaching for. DXY looks extremely bearish in a sell model. So we're pushing lower. $18,266, 18,182. I don't know why it says that. I'm not really familiar with Forex. I wouldn't expect New York to come down and take Asia lows. We're below True Open, or Midnight Open. We're below London lows. Bro, NASDAQ does not care at all whatsoever. So this 4 hour is not even really valid for me anymore. Because now, like, there's really no other higher time frame PD array except for the more it drops, the more I really. Yeah, I guess we could push into this OB right here. Looks like the body's respecting it. If YM came down, God, YM is grinding up. He has created a minute one order block. Taking out those lows right there. Fuck. Yeah, I know, but like a lot of the times when I haven't seen an SMT, oh look at this SMT right here. Looking very bullish. Only reason I checked that was because like sometimes when I don't get an SMT, I'm like, bro, in a market maker model, I really need to see one, and then I'll check and Dow had it. But I guess even when the trade doesn't work, Dow's made an SMT. Yeah, but I mean, I don't know how much farther I can let this push and still have confidence in. Wonder if this is gonna be a 5 minute. Damn, I just opened a 5 month chart. Oh no, I didn't. Definitely looking for longs. If we close above this, I'm gonna go long. I'm not even gonna wait for the retrace. 30 seconds. Well, it depends how high we push, but it's like a good bullish day today. Below midnight open, below London. I'm gonna go long if we return right here. So I'm long. I don't know why it won't even let me go long on. What the heck? Rejected. Why will it not let me go long on this? Bro, what the hell? Perfect push into that inversion. If you have an open trade, what is wrong with this? Dude, bruh. I'm about to call Trade Debate right now.
For calling Trade Debate. For assistance regarding
Bro, that is ridiculous. And they won't even answer the phone, bro. That is ridiculous. And they won't even answer the phone, bro. I don't get it. Like, like, damn, I already got stopped out anyway. Damn, I already got stopped out anyway. Damn, that's why you could put your stop below that swing low.
Account. Questions regarding your existing account, press 2. For assistance with your trading platform, press 3. To reach the trade desk, press 4. Thanks.
Tradeovate is the worst company I've ever seen in my life, bro. Like, perfect trade. They won't even pick up the phone. They won't even pick up the phone. Market structure shift with this order block right here. Market structure shift with this order block right here. Fair value gap, order block. Might not return to that though. Dude, the issue is I got freaking $450 in my Tradeovate account. I'm trying to trade a micro. And I only need like $100 in there to trade a micro, and they're not even letting me place a trade. Like, bruh. I'm about to just activate my Top Step account. Like, I don't even care. Getting this fair value gap, I'm gonna enter again. Now that it's 10 o'clock, I'd expect fast expansion up.
Calling Tradeovate. For assistance regarding a new account, press 1. For questions regarding your existing account, press 2. For assistance with your trading platform, press 3. To reach the trade desk, press 4. Thank you.
Thank God we did it, but I missed the trade. Like, bro, that is ridiculous, dude. All right, we're set. So, like, oh my God. No, not miss. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this retracement of this order block. But fuck, dude. I would have been stopped anyway. Um, okay. So, I need to. Yo, Jamie, I appreciate you, bro. It's not usually this, like, this stream is not usually this bad, but it took me 2 whole weeks to get this account funded because Tradeovate never wants to help out ever. And I had to call them and reset the account, and but we're good now. Just a little adversity. Bro, that thing is annoying me right there. All right. I'm looking at this order block. That's where I'm going to take my entry. If I get it. Are you really waiting for 10 a.m. to get taken? Yeah, I'm going to be patient right here. I think I'm good. I just want to make sure. All right. Game of patience. Well, I like when I come into a higher time frame PD, right? Like this 4 hour, I like having the push up, then the one more manipulation. I think we're just gonna expand from here, dude. Honestly, like I really want to mark it in right now, but it's kind of a blessing though, because I would have been stopped out. I put my stop way too close. Is that a 2 minute, 3 minute? Yeah. So now that we have this market structure shift, I can get my 1-3 anytime. Spectra, you crazy, bruh. Honestly, dude. You need to gamble on stake or something, dude. If that wick was the order block entry, dude, I'm gonna be sad. No way you actually lost 6K on stake, bruh. There's no way. I've never gambled. Like, well, if you want to consider this gambling, then yeah, I gamble every single day. But it'd be really sad if we make our way up to external right here. Yeah. Garov, dude, I'm trying hard, man, to just sit here and wait, but that was inversion, the 5 minute inversion. I missed this move. Come on. Every down close candle should be meh. I think whatever. Oh wait. No, I'm not in right now. If this range, this is still OTE. Yeah. Thank God, oh no, I didn't. I mean, this is the perfect open, low, high, and then we fizzle out here, close for a Monday. Yeah, I got my rules too. All of these lows right here, I want to see taken before we start going up. I'm fully expecting this move to go without me. And I'm going to sit here like a man and watch it. Expecting this 15-minute fair value gap. ES didn't pull into the 15-minute yet. So London trades up. We could have the London or this could be a nice market maker sell right here on like a super low time frame, like a 15. But because I'm trading micros, 15 points ain't enough for me. Like I would see maybe like reversal here down to these lows. I just don't think, you know, we might not get up to this today, which is what I expect. Every time I get into a trade, I'm thinking, what's the draw on liquidity? That's number one. And then where are we going to go there from? This looks really good, but this is going to be my buy. CYM. This could be, if this is a bullish week, I can see Monday maybe slowly going down or chilling here. Tuesday continuing lower, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday reverse and see a little midweek reversal higher. Because we're trading in between this fair value gap down close candle or up close candle here. This order block. The 2 minute. Tapped right into it. It's gonna blow up. Where though? Like, say we do sweep these lows, like, what are you looking for? Oh, I guess those are equal inside of this 15 minute. Yeah, we got these equal lows right here. Low is 18,28125. 18,28125. There's no way that this is a breakaway. Like, I just refuse to believe that. Internal. How many times you see internal range liquidity taken? Internal to me is like a fair value gap, but like, bruh, I really wanted to take this trade, dude. That's ridiculous. There's no way that we're not coming down here. ES is weak as hell. We still got this range right in OTE, even though I don't like using it on lower time frames. But all right, so ES just went into that 15-minute now. I'm just not in. Well, why do you think the lows will be swept if this is like a normal buy day? Like trade below midnight, trade below 3 a.m., below London, in a higher time frame PD array. Like, I get you're saying this is the liquidity. Is that how it works? At 10 a.m. we sweep the lows before 10 a.m. and then is that what you're saying? Sweep these lows. Yeah, I'll wait. The only thing making me optimistic that will return is these. So are you bullish or bearish? Like what are these equal? 18,252.50. Like this low's already been swept. These aren't even equal. These are take these trade into consequent encroachment, but here we go, price. Make your way down. Stop pushing up. Oh, these. Oh, that's what you keep saying. Oh, okay. So we're on the same page. I thought you kept talking about these lows right here. I get you. I got you now. I'm with you on that. I wouldn't even want to be sitting in this trade with those lows like that. My stop would have to be all the way down here, though. That's the only reason. Because I was going to go in with. Yeah, I'm with you. I'm thinking about even going in with two contracts, but I'd have to put my stop all the way down here. And it is in discount of this range now. Pumping numbers? Because they're making money on the short, bro. You talking about stocks pumping dumps? Or are you talking about like Forex? Because I don't think they pump and dump Forex. L short, W long. He's just getting a little piece of the action. A little controlled gambling, little crazy gamble on stake. ES looks terrible. Jesus Christ, what the hell is going on? Oh my god. I'm long one. Stop below these lows. Yeah, I'm taking up to ERL. No doubt about that. We might have one more push down in this order block. But I like that trade right there. Now this is where when I'm in a trade like that, you're putting your stop at that low. I think we might manipulate that low one more time. But I get the re-entering. I'll probably add another contract once we take this low. Push one more time in this order block. ES is really bearish. YM, no more divergence. And the cherry on top is I guarantee you dollars pushing up now. Yeah, this is exactly what happens when I get into a trade. I swear to God, everything's aligned, and then when I hop in, bruh, ES looks like it might take this low one more time. Maybe not. I'm not gonna add a second contract because this is my first trade of the account. Fuck everything else. Straight Nasdaq. Straight Nasdaq. This is the silver bullet, right? That's what ICT talks about. We have smart money reversal, low risk buy. Well, no, not really low risk buy. Accumulation or reaccumulation. First stage of accumulation, distribution, second stage of reaccumulation, and then distribution. And then, well, really the second stage would be the silver bullet, but we need ES to follow, honestly. Spectre, you don't watch ICT, bro? Like, that's why you like gambling. Bro, TJ literally teaches ICT concepts. You're talking about TJR, right? That dude literally got his concepts from ICT. Mm, there's a lot more redefined people than TJR, bro. I like him. He's rich. He got rich off of crypto, but he's funny. Yeah, he's definitely funny. His TikToks randomly pop up for me. Just overall the best. Funny, smarter, or stronger. Hotter, maybe some could say. Your stop loss at the low. Yeah, I had a journal for like 6 months. I would over manage my trades. Like even in one of my past live streams, the last like paper trading day, it was perfect like this, and then I added a second contract, put my stop at that low, and then we immediately manipulated it one more time and then went up. Probably once I pad my account a little bit, then I'll not over manage. That's my model. Yeah. When I was trading prop firms, that's what I did. Like, and I'll just re-enter. I mean, you go from break even to just re-entering at a better price. I agree with that a lot. I just really hope that we actually do make our way to external because I've been in so many trades where we just get here and then fall. ES is so weak. Some prop firms like Top Step, they'll transfer you over to a live account. When I got my first payout, it was on like a 50K combine, and it was like my first time doing the prop firm. And when I withdrew 3,000, they yeah, I'm actually gonna put my stop right here. No, I'm gonna put it here, and then I'll just re-enter. I'll add another contract. Um, Top Step, I like Top Step. I think they're the least scummy because, like, say how I just went up right now and then it pulled back, or I really didn't go up over here, but say you were in a trade over here and it starts pulling back, like Apex and stuff like that, they got that trailing drawdown. I'm just not a fan of any prop firms because I'll have really good trading days. Uh, Top Step, yeah, I have 8,000 in payouts from Top Step, but I'm getting to the point where once you get 10,000, then um you have to split 10% of the profits. And on top of that, the combines that I was doing, um or the fundeds, you only get to take 50% of what's in the account. So like my first payout, my account was at like $8,000, and I only withdrew 3,000 like 900 of it. But I'm gonna build my personal account slowly, and I get to keep all the money. Because I'm tired. Like I was a boomer bust trader, so I would do a combine, I'd pass, I'd get a funded, and then blow the funded. Or when I finally did get a funded, I'd do really, 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 really good, and then the next week I would lose the account, and then I had to pay for another combine, pass the combine, pay the activation fee, and I just got sick and tired of like taking really good trades on the combine, and then when I finally got the funded, I would have to reset. Why would you lose the account? Well, number one, I didn't have the psychology for prop firms, like because it's not my real money. I over leveraged and over traded every single time. Like right here, like if I wasn't trading on a personal account right here, I would have been chasing price and adding, and then it would have retraced. And I think prop firms, I like them. Like I'm eventually gonna go back to them, maybe get like 350Ks, but for now I'm just focusing on my mental, my psychology part of it. And when you trade with micros, you don't feel like you're missing price because you need that big move to make a profit. No, I never paid the monthly subscription because I either passed the combine in a week or I just started a new one. That's like literally every combine I did, I tried to pass it in 2 days. And then I would take those trading like skills, and I would try and do it on the funded. And it was just like, bruh. I'll admit, dude, I'll be the first person, and I'll be the person to admit it the most. My psychology the past 7 or 8 months was terrible. Like I would not follow any rules. If I got to like 50% of the daily drawdown, Top Step has Top Step has drawdown, but it if you go up and it starts coming down on you, that doesn't account for your drawdown. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop out right here, and I'm gonna re-enter when we take this low. That would suck though if I just exited and without getting stopped out. Is this midnight? Yeah, that's a midnight. Damn, so we pulled back, hit midnight, and went up. I want to see some kind of SMT with with ES. It won't go that low. Did I just fuck myself? Wow. This is what I'm talking about. I overmanaged my trade. Well, I realized I didn't have my stop up there, so then I wanted to have my stop there, and once we started reaching for it, is this where I FOMO in? Bro, that's crazy that I just did that. ES is so low. I think ES is going to take this. Honestly. I want to see this. And I'm going to go in with 2 contracts. If you entered at 18,270, I tried to enter right there. Like what? I literally tried to enter right there, and my trade evade wasn't. I had to call them, and they said that they had to activate the account. Like what? I've literally traded with trade evade before. I don't know. I guess they closed it because I hadn't used it in a while. I've been using Top Step, but I literally tried to enter off this inversion right here. I would have been stopped honestly because I would have put my stop under this black thing, which I did. But that was paper. That was like the fake while I was trying to set up my thing. I think maybe Monday is just gonna trade in this range, honestly. Go from the 15-minute internal. Is there an hour? 1 year. No, I don't want that. Oh, it's just a 15. I would cry. Like, I would literally cry if ES just stays here. This is why I do a lot better when I just set my trade up, put my stop, and then walk away. DXY is pushing down. I might fuck around and just market in this thing. Is there any order blocks? right here. Yeah, but just like you said, what'd you say? You said, have you seen how many times internal liquidity gets taken? I've been in this and then I put my stop here and they just wick me out and then we end up going. Because, like, look at ES. ES right now could totally come down here, make a SMT, NQ stays above, and that'll freaking rocket us up. But we did pull in a 15-minute. This could be a sell model right here to come down and take this low. This high. YM's pushing way lower. Technically on gambling, it's 50-50 too. You either win or lose. Buy stops? Maybe not a sell model, but this looks like a pretty good sell day. I mean, we could just chop right here because we have the open, the high, the low, and then we close down here. I mean, that this looks like a normal Monday consolidations, like barely sell day. But also Versal at 10. Fuck, dude. Like, oh. So this is the first stage of accumulation, the distribution. I guess I'll take the macro second accumulation and take it off of these down close candles and just go in with two contracts. That would have been how many points? 280, 20. So I would have only been at like 40. Ah, dude, I got shaken up because I'm looking at the trading view, but I have traded bait over here. So I saw my stop here. I thought my stop was at break even. I don't. Would this turn into a high, low, higher high? This would turn into a breaker. You got your target at this high right here. One of two things are going to happen. One thing is clear. I'm only entering longs. I'm praying. I'm not praying that you get stopped out. I'm hoping your 1 to 3 gets hit, you get your profit, and then we come down and we take this low out. I can enter here, long two contracts. We create an SMT with ES, make our way up, or we end up pushing up right here. Second leg of accumulation, pull back into this breaker, high, low, hopefully higher high, pull in the breaker. I enter two contracts, take both of them off here. That's the game plan. So, what's your 1 to 3 target? Yeah, it is, especially in this macro right here. 1050 to 1150 or 1110. Yeah, that 930 high. I'd probably, yeah. If I go in with two, then first would come off here, second would go off here. I just don't, honestly, I think everybody's targeting this external. Well, I, I could be wrong, but we trade up Asia, London, we reverse, open, high, low, close down here. Because on just being realistic and honest, I've had days where I've just been too. They want to go up there with high impact news, is what they want to do, not on a Monday. And even if we do go up from here, ES has all of these lows now, and maybe Tuesday we come and take those, manipulate down, go up Wednesday, and then either have a midweek reversal or a continuation. $7 of profit. What? I'm such a baby, dude, for not holding. With prop firms, dude, I'm used to slinging around like 3 contracts. But I'm not trying to get too much on a Monday. Plus, with commissions, dude, I only made not that much. Just all in on Bitcoin and retire. Dude, I'm about to just mark it in right here. No, I didn't lose 50 for my original 500. I only put in 450, and then I had to pay $4 of market data fee. So it took me down to 446. That was literally my first trade with the account. It wouldn't even let me. But I'm about to put in another 200 after Thursday. Bro's the most impatient trader I know. Dude, I've taken one trade. What are you talking about? This is the setup I was looking for, exactly. Like the most perfect setup I was looking for. I wanted to get in down here. Now this is the first stage of reaccumulation, and it's about to take off without me. Bruh. The only thing keeping me out of this trade is the fact that I made a promise with myself that whether I get stopped or take profit, I need to. No, I know I'm not. I know losses are part of it, and I'm not trying to only take wins, but I do have a big ego and I try and get the best entry without getting stopped. So I need to work on that. But the only thing keeping me out of marketing in right now is that I know that if I do get stopped out or if I take a loss, like that's just not a good place to enter, and I'd be pissed off with myself. But you have like 10 other streams of building account. Yeah, so when I started streaming, I started on a Friday because I got paid on Thursday, and I was expecting to just have that money in by Friday. Well, the money never came in by Friday. And then on Monday, this is why I was saying I hate Tradeabate. On Monday, they said that they didn't have, like, they didn't even try and take the money. So then Monday, I had to refund the account, and then they have a 3-day holding period. And then by then it was Friday, and then I had to wait the weekend, and now it's Monday. And so the whole time that I was waiting for my money to come in every day, I was just paper trading. So that's all fake money. That's why I didn't have this box on the bottom right that showed the live account with. Yes, bro. 10 streams. That's why I was pissed off today when I finally had the money and I was ready to take the trade. And it's not 10 streams, it's literally 5, bro. That's 5 days. Being patient. I mean, Spectre, I feel like you're trying to make me feel bad about myself. I don't appreciate that. Yeah, so in bullish price, we start respecting every down close candle, and that's what we're doing. So I'm going long. We just respected literally all these down close candles. Look at the bodies for this one, the wick for this. Should have waited, bruh. Should have waited. Because now we've had this consolidation. I want to get in with a manipulation. There's been no manipulation from here. I want this, this. Nope. We're waiting for this to get swept. And ES take these lows out. Bad trade. Not. No que pasa. Dude, I would have been so rich, and I would have taken all that money and put it into Bitcoin. Put it into Ethereum. Give me SMT or give me death is basically where I'm at right now. And I'm not hopeful that even when we do get it, we're gonna get some kind of move because this is literally what a Monday looks like. Like fucking open, high, low, close, down here, all inside of this baby range. That's how it be for real. What's that dollar doing, bruh? Up? Nice. Love seeing dollar go up when I'm trying to take a long. Got these lows right here it's going for. But it might retrace into this range. Gotta be careful about that. This is honestly the most annoying thing I've ever dealt with before. Ultra long Bitcoin. Maybe ultra long Bitcoin with some leverage, like 20 times X, 20x leverage. Go in a position trade with literally every dollar I have and hold it till I'm fucking 50. Yeah, I think the macro target are these lows down here. Yeah, that's what I was thinking when I didn't see like that push. But I mean, we still haven't taken it. Got an SMT. I'm gonna be fed up, dude. I swear to God, if this SMT, if we don't push below here and then start going up with this SMT. Give me the order block now. 2 contracts. Oh my God. YM is literally. Yeah, this is like a bearish day. Sweep into order block, create a fair value gap, max size. I'm talking about like Gaurav, you still holding? We're respecting that low. Well, I'm not switching bias, but I need to be understanding, like, or have an understanding of why we could go lower. Like, a lot of days I'll have one bias and I'll just completely stick to it the entire time. Bro, there's literally no way. I have so much FOMO right now. Didn't push in that fair value gap. This is it. This is the pump up, right? And it's going to do exactly what I said I didn't want it to do. Make that SMT and not take out that lows and not give me the manipulation that I want. Whatever. I already took a loss on the day. What was it? 14? Bruh. I just got to keep those losses small. Because I know I can take a trade where I get down here and target up here. I really shouldn't even try and trade again on Monday. Come on, give me my manipulation. Give daddy what he wants. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Breaker entry? Where? High, high, low, higher, high. Breaker? Talking about this candle? What are you talking about? What breaker do you see? This? Breaker? The breaker I would enter on is this. High, low, higher, high. But now it doesn't even look like it just opened up. Took out what? Took out a low? This low? Is that how order flow works? I'm with you. I just don't know how to press the button right now. After I literally just took an entry right here and it shot down. Yeah, I should take this on a demo, but I've been so bullish right here. Like, the FOMO is literally excruciating right now, honestly. Is that the breaker you're talking about? Yeah? Is this the breaker? Or did I draw it wrong? It's like a mini breaker. I feel like we sit here until lunch is where price is going to stay. Yeah. Let me measure this. Yeah, that manipulation right there takes us exactly up to external range. Fuck, dude. Like, I understand the draw. I would just be so mad if... Alright. I'm putting it below the breaker. This is the breaker that I want to add on. This one. High. Does this one even count as a breaker? This is the demo right here, but my trade of 8 is what I'm taking the trade on. The live account. I'm just showing y'all the entry. I really like how this manipulation right here lines up exactly with 2 to 2.5 of the range. We should respect every down close candle, right? I would love to have two contracts, take one off at 9:30, but you know it is what it is. Not every. What did I say? We should pull into this fair value gap. Dude, these highs are so equal. I would expect that we just blow through it if we're gonna go up there. Like I wouldn't even want to put my take profit right there. I'd want to. Oh shit! This is what I did not want to see. These highs right here. Chop for lunch. Manipulate before lunch. Not every down close candle is an order block. Oh, is that what I said? Well, in bullish order flow, they should be respected. Like once you finally push through them. Like I'd want to propel off of this if we go higher. Come up here, bounce, go. How long are you sitting through this trade? You ain't getting me with that, Spectra. You're gonna have to try something else, boy. I'm too smart for that. Spectra, you seem like you should be in school right now, bro. You skipping school to trade? I like ES now. ES looks strong. Please, DXY look bearish. Bearish. DXY into an hour fair value gap. Look, that's what I love to see right there. Higher time frame PD array. Take out these lows. Take out these lows. Manipulate down one more time. Create an SMT. I like that. Me likey. I think I'm gonna add right here if we can get to this. Yeah, we're adding a second. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's obvious now. Obvious till we take out those lows. Another 400 loss today. Sorry to hear that, bro. I'm still down in my account. This isn't even a combine or a funded. This is just my own money. Yeah, it was obvious. I mean, the only trade I was going to take today is if we respected this higher time frame PD array. Like if we pushed lower and we were showing bearish prices, I wasn't going to be interested in taking a short today or a long. I would have watched, but ES is finally showing some strength. I'm not a fan of going down one more time though, honestly. I'm kind of a fan of this though. This is my problem where I start moving my stop. Stop lunchtime accumulation. Just chop all through here to end the day too. The body's respecting that though. Psych, I lied. Swear I'm creating some bad habits, dude. Moving my stop and shit. Yes, didn't take all those highs yet. I'm leaving both of them up here just to see the dollar amount. But like, honestly, I have one take profit at 9:30, one take profit at external. I just honestly think it's very unreasonable that we reach for this on a non-news driven day. Like on a Monday, we'll just create this range for Tuesday's news to either manipulate or that's what I'm saying. I'm not trying to range break out, but Friday never took that out. We're going to hunt these lows. Yeah, we're stopped on that. PM session. This is what I'm saying, bro. Open, high, low, then we close down here on Monday, leaving this and this. Yeah, bro, I'm disappointed. I knew I shouldn't. I mean, I don't want to be that guy, but I should only be take like if there was nothing taken, if we have all these equal lows, these equal highs, you can't get into a trade before there's a raid on liquidity. 76. So 1150 to 1210 is the macro is just gonna wipe these lows out and just sit here. I don't really want to sit there and watch all that chop, so I'm probably just gonna call this a stream. Call that a Monday manipulation L day on the books. We'll bounce back this week. We got high impact news, a lot more moves to catch. Yeah, I'm not gonna sit here for another 30 minutes and watch all this chop because I don't expect us to take these lows and then during lunch make our way up at least until like 12:45. Why I am extremely bearish. Bro, what? Yeah, I am gonna call for the day. I'm setting my alert at this low just so I can come back and see what price wants to do. Trade one more time below midnight. €0. Today, FOMO'd into trades and over leveraged. So, you gotta learn from that and bounce back. Appreciate y'all popping out for the stream and trading just destroyed my life. Nah, you just gotta put in some more work, man, every single day. So I'll be back tomorrow morning if y'all want to come by see me. Not over leverage and not FOMO in, but yeah, not trading this range. So see y'all.